So you think Santa will like these red and green M&Ms?
I don't know. I never met the guy. He does exist!
They do exist.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Toledo Police Department. Local authorities are asking residents of the Toledo area to be on the lookout for a suspect described as a homicidal maniac who escaped from the Northwest Ohio Psychiatric Hospital 2 hours ago. The suspect is described as being a Caucasian male, 6 foot 5 inches tall, 220 pounds, bald, brown eyes, and currently in his late 50s. The man's full identity cannot be released at this time. Authorities now believe that the man is wearing a Santa Claus costume stolen from a shop in southern Toledo. To protect yourself, lock all windows and doors, avoid going outside at all cost, do not let anyone you don't know inside your home, do not attempt to approach the suspect as you put your life in jeopardy by doing so. If you see the suspect, please immediately call 911. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Toledo Police Department. The suspect described 2 hours earlier continues to be loose in the Toledo area. 8 murders have been reported in the Toledo area. The Northwest Ohio Psychiatric Hospital has now identified the suspect as 57-year-old Howard Smith. It is now believed that he has used an axe to murder his victims. Some records have also reported death by strangulation. You should now be aware that any outdoor activity is prohibited during this situation. Violators will be prosecuted. Keep your windows and doors locked. Do not let anyone you don't know inside your home. If the suspect tries to break into your home, you may use any type of defense, including deadly force, to protect yourself. If you see this suspect, you must call 911 immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Toledo Police Department. The suspect, identified as 57-year-old Howard Smith, continues to be loose in the Toledo area. 14 murders have been reported in the Toledo area. Remember that the suspect is reported to be wearing a stolen Santa Claus costume. If you are wearing anything Santa Claus related, you need to change out of it immediately, as you may be mistaken for the suspect and may face certain injury or death. As of right now, outdoor activity is still prohibited during this situation. Violators will be prosecuted. If you see the suspect, you must call 911 immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Toledo Police Department. The suspect, identified as 57-year-old Howard Smith, is now deceased. At 11:30 p.m., police confronted him in a downtown area of Toledo and were forced to gun him down after he resisted. It is now safe for residents to leave their homes if necessary. Outdoor activity is no longer prohibited. The Toledo Police Department thanks the public for their cooperation during this situation. This station may now resume regular programming.